Why does your scanner show the P20CB engine code? What does it mean? P02CB is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger B underboost condition. The P02CB engine code indicates the ECM has detected that the actual boost pressure produced by the forced induction system is lower than the requested or expected level. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Intake tract leaks, stuck wastegate bypass valve, faulty boost control solenoid, defective MAP or boost sensor, turbocharger malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Chevrolet, Audi, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.